Hi, hello everyone. My name is Lynn. I am 37 years old and I am a widow. So I have one child. He is already 16 years old right now, grade 10. And just a little story about myself. By the way, I wanted to change the name of my YouTube channel from The Journey of Pulmonary Fibrosis into Life of a Widow. Sorry. A little background about me. I was working in the pharmacy by the time that I met my husband. He was a Navy veteran. He was a U.S. citizen. Um, he came inside our church. He was being so sick. He was fooled and broken. He came here in the Philippines because of a woman he met online, but it turns out bad, maybe. I do not know what happened, but he told me that the relationship didn't work. And then later on, fast forward, after 8 months of getting to know each other, we got married. And I wasn't really aware that he had a terminal illness like pulmonary fibrosis, because during the time that he was working in the Navy, he was assigned as a hydraulics personnel, like you're going to spray a chemical called asbestos. It was during his younger years. And then later on, he became a pilot captain just for a short time and a submarine. He was working for almost 2 decades in the Navy. And after his retirement, he decided to came here in the Philippines and met Inday Idmar Bilatra. But gibangartahan na siya. So after he died recently, I was having my anxiety attack, sleepless nights. I just wanted to tell the public audience that not all Filipina has the same love and heart as mine. I took care of my husband for 8 months, bedridden, everything. Feed him, everything. It was the very first time of my life that I was a caregiver, because I don't know how to do it, but with the help of the doctors and the instruction that I followed, I did survive. I miss him so much. I miss being called a wife. But right now, I will be labeled or being called a widow. I hate it. I miss my husband so much. I'm suffering anxiety, but I know there is God. And I wanted to talk to someone, because I want to forget that I was once in love to that kind of man. No, what I mean is, I want to remember for the rest of my life that we're married, but I don't want to hope that he's going to coming back anymore. He's not. He died.